Hi there, fashion lovers. Today's video is all about nailing the pronunciation of one of the most luxurious brands in the world, Louis Vuitton. If you've ever hesitated to say it out loud or worried about getting it wrong, don't worry. You're not alone, and I've got you covered. Some people pronounce it as Louis Vuitton or even Louis Vuitton. Sound familiar? But don't worry, it's a common mistake. Let me show you how to get it right. The correct pronunciation is Louis Vuitton. Louis is pronounced Louis. Remember, the S is silent in French. Vuitton is pronounced Vuitton, with a soft ton at the end, giving it a distinct French sound. There is a quick tip for you. Say it smoothly, and don't overemphasize the T in Vuitton. It's subtle but makes a difference. Let's say it together a few times. Louis Vuitton, Louis Vuitton, Louis Vuitton. Keep practicing until it rolls off your tongue effortlessly. Here's a fun fact. Louis Vuitton originally started as a trunk maker in 1854 in Paris. The brand's iconic monogram was created in 1896 to protect against counterfeiting, making it one of the first designer logos ever. It's not just a name, it's a piece of history. Now that you know how to say Louis Vuitton like a pro, show off your skills next time you talk about this legendary brand. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your favorite Louis Vuitton product below, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. See you in the next video.